Hello dear students, welcome back to EDUHUNT video lecture series, and we have discussed about the gonads and the hormones released by these gonads and the functions of different sex hormones in males and females. Let us see next structure that is that produces hormones. Placenta. Placenta in the female, the placenta temporarily acts as an endocrine gland. It produces HCG, that is human chorionic gonadotropin, and it is secreted by the placenta, and this function of this hormone is similar to the sex hormones. Next is the gastrointestinal tract. Gastrointestinal tract is the digestive tract where the endocrine cells of this tract also produce some hormones. And it is bigger than other endocrine glands because it releases hormones, that is why it is considered as endocrine gland. When compared to other glands of the endocrine system, this is the bigger one because it has a bigger mass than the other endocrine systems, other endocrine glands. It secretes gastrin, enterosecretin, cholecystokinin, and these are the hormones secreted by the gastrointestinal tract. First is the gastrin. Gastrin is secreted from the mucus layer of the pyloric stomach. In stomach there are two regions called pyloric stomach and fundic stomach. సో ఈ పైలోరిక్ స్టమక్ రీజియన్ నుంచి పైలోరిక్ స్టమక్లో ఉండే మ్యూకస్ లేయర్ నుంచి ఈ గ్యాస్ట్రిన్ హార్మోను సెక్రేట్ అవుతుంది. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద రోల్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ గ్యాస్ట్రిన్ హార్మోన్? ఇట్ స్టిమ్యులేట్స్ ద సెక్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ గ్యాస్ట్రిక్ జ్యూస్ అండ్ ఆల్సో HCl. HCl ఎందుకు? HCl ఈజ్ అన్ యాసిడ్. ఈ యాసిడ్ ఎలా పనిచేస్తుందంటే ఇట్ మెయింటైన్స్ ద pH ఆఫ్ ద stomach. And also it activates the prohormones, that is proenzymes, proteolytic enzymes. They are inactive first in the phase. These get activated in acid medium, that is HCl. In presence of HCl, some of the proenzymes get activated, like pepsinogen that is present in the secreted in the stomach gets activated by the HCl because HCl decreases the pH of the stomach. In the lower pH, this proenzyme pepsinogen gets activated to pepsin. Then only it acts on proteins. The bonds that are present in the proteins are the peptide bonds. These peptide bonds get digested by the proteolytic enzymes. And next hormone secreted by the gastrointestinal tract is the enterogastrone. Enterogastrone, it is secreted from the duodenal mucosa. After stomach, we have a U-shaped structure. It is the starting part of the small intestine. So this duodenal mucosa, it secretes a hormone called enterogastrone. It inhibits the secretion of gastric juice and also regulates the mobility of food in the gut. And the next is two other hormones which are secreted by gastrointestinal tract are gastric inhibitory polypeptide and vasoactive intestinal polypeptide. These are said to be other two hormones have also been known to inhibit the gastric secretion. They are known to inhibit gastric secretion. ఇప్పుడు గ్యాస్ట్రిక్ జ్యూసెస్ వితౌట్ ఎనీ కంట్రోల్ రిలీజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది, స్టమక్ ఫిల్స్ విత్ గ్యాస్ట్రిక్ జ్యూస్ ఆఫ్టర్ సమ్ టైమ్. దేర్ షుడ్ బి అ రెగ్యులేషన్, దేర్ షుడ్ బి చెక్ పాయింట్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద హార్మోన్స్ విచ్ చెక్ ద gastric juice production. And next one secreted by the gastrointestinal tract is secretin. It also secreted from the duodenal mucosa. Duodenal mucosa also secretes one more hormone, that is secretin. It stimulates pancreas for the secretion of bicarbonates and also fluid in the pancreatic juice. And then it is pancreatic juice increase అవ్వాలి అంటే pancreatic juice మన నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్లో చూద్దాము. ప్యాంక్రియాస్ దాని స్ట్రక్చర్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్డ్ information regarding pancreas we'll discuss in the next session. But the pancreatic juice, which is under the influence of another hormone secreted by the duodenal mucosa, that is secretin. Secretin hormone of duodenal mucosa influences the secretion of pancreatic juice and also bicarbonate production. Cholecystokinin, CCK or pancreozymin. ప్యాంక్రియోజైమిన్. మీరు హార్మోన్కి ఎంజైమ్కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి? హార్మోన్ ఈజ్ సెక్రీటెడ్ బై ద ఎండోక్రైన్ గ్లాండ్స్ అండ్ ఎంజైమ్స్ ఆర్ secreted by even glands. Enzymes are secreted by glands, but they are not endocrine glands. And the enzymes that are secreted are proteinaceous in nature, but hormones may be proteinaceous, amino acid derivatives or cholesterol, that is steroid hormones. But enzymes are proteinaceous, exclusively they are made up of proteins. And enzyme అనగానే మనకి ఏజ్ సఫిక్స్ ఏజ్ ఉంటుంది, లైక్ జైమేజ్, సుక్రేజ్ అండ్ different enzymes like protease, lipase, all these are all enzymes. And అదే హార్మోన్స్ అయితే ఏజ్ అనే సఫిక్స్ ఉండదు. దట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్, దట్ ఈస్ హౌ వీ ఐడెంటిఫై ద హార్మోన్ అండ్ ఎంజైమ్ రాసేటప్పుడు. అండ్ cholecystokinin, it is also known as pancreozymin and it is also secreted by the duodenal mucosa and stimulates pancreas for the secretion of pancreatic juice and enzymes of the pancreas. Pancreas secrete chese enzymes, they are influenced by the by this pancreozymin, cholecystokinin or the pancreozymin hormone secreted by the duodenal mucosa. And it also causes concentration of gallbladder for the release of bile juice. Bile juice lo bile pigments ఉంటాయి. So these are very very important. The pigments are bilirubin and biliverdin, and these pigments fecal matter ki a pigmentation ఎలా వచ్చింది అంటే కూడా రీజన్ ద bile juices. And it is under the influence of enzyme hormone, that is cholecystokinin or pancreozymin. And next structure that is responsible for the production of enzymes and hormones. Pancreas is the structure, it produces both enzymes and hormones. It is a mixed, that is heterocrine, composite heterocrine, that is it produces both hormones as well as enzymes. Anyway, location of pancreas and structure of pancreas and enzymes and hormones of pancreas. ఇవన్నీ కూడా డీటెయిల్డ్గా చూద్దాము. జస్ట్ హ్యావ్ అ గ్లాన్స్. pancreas is the structure that is present in the loop, డియోడినంకి మధ్యలో ఒక ఈ లూప్ నుంచి ఎమర్జ్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ ద అప్రాక్సిమేట్ వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ pancreas is 80 grams, and as I mentioned, it is a heterocrine gland which produces both enzymes as well as hormones. Exocrine, దీనిలో 2 స్ట్రక్చర్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఎసినై అండ్ ఐలెట్స్ ఆఫ్ లాంగర్హాన్, అంటే గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ cells, islets of Langerhans. Anyway, in the next session we'll discuss about the pancreas, its structure and other details in an elaborated way. Goodbye.